Final boarding call for Flight 782 to Paris, Gate 18.
Final boarding? We're going to miss another flight.
Start mission. What should Grace say? Gate 18, keep moving. Mission 1, at the boarding gate.
Good evening. May I see your boarding passes and passports, please?
Found them. Here you go.
Thank you, sir. You're just in time.
Just in time. Almost late, but still on time. What document lets you board the plane? A boarding pass or a baggage tag? Ticket means you bought the flight. Boarding pass means you can board the plane.
Are you taking all these bags into the cabin?
Maybe we should check that one.
No, these are all carry-ons.
Even the suitcase that's almost as big as Nikki?
Hey!
That bag may be too large for the cabin.
All right, I'll check it. Here it go.
Thank you, sir. We'll check the bag through to London.
What did James decide to do? Take the bag as a carry-on or check the bag?
All right, I'll check it.
Choosing a seat. Are our seats together?
You have 2 seats in row 18 and 2 seats in row 19.
Do we have window seats or aisle seats?
Each row has 1 window seat and 1 aisle seat.
I call the window seat. I want to see Paris from the plane.
What about us?
I'll take the aisle seat. You can have the window seat, Dad.
Perfect.
Your seats are confirmed. You can board now.
Boarding the plane.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you. Let's find row 18.
Right behind you. Thanks.
Someone is in my seat. What should Nikki say? Move, that's my seat. Or, excuse me, I think you're in my seat.
Excuse me, I think you're in my seat.
Oh, you're right. My seat is 18C. I'm sorry.
No problem.
Stowing the carry-ons.
This one fits perfectly.
Because this one is actually a carry-on.
Ready for takeoff.
Please fasten your seatbelts and prepare for takeoff.
Did you fasten your seatbelt?
Yes, I'm ready.
Take off. When the plane leaves the ground. Turbulence.
Please remain seated and keep your seatbelts fastened.
What's happening?
It's just turbulence. What should passengers do during turbulence? Remain seated with seatbelts fastened, or walk around the cabin? Stay seated and keep your seatbelt fastened.
Okay.
We'll be landing in Paris shortly. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened.
Look, I can see the Eiffel Tower.
We made it. The flight connection. Which sign should they follow? Flight connections or baggage claim? Thanks for watching. See you on the next episode.